The burpee, everybody's favourite. Nope, I'm joking. The burpee, everybody's favourite. Nope, I'm joking. I know we all hate burpees. I'm not a huge fan of them either. I actually have a wonderful story to tell you about burpees. And when I used to work in the gym one-on-one, a very new client to me on a very first session challenged me to a burpee challenge, which even though I won, that's irrelevant. It was such an incredible moment of confidence for her, and she just fancied a burpee challenge. So they're great exercises. And if you're in a one-on-one session with a trainer, if you want to shock him, challenge him to a burpee challenge. So this is how we're going to do the burpee. I'm going to show you a few progressions today because they're a very hard exercise, but they're a very useful exercise. And the more we can work towards getting towards being able to do a full one, the better it will be for you. Right, so let me show you what we can do here with the burpee. Oh, I need to change that camera, 1 second. So, here we are. So the standard burpee is you're going to start on the floor. It's just easier on the floor, starting from the floor. We're going to start in that push-up position. We're going to do a push-up. Then we jump in, jump up, down, out, push-up, in, out, like so. That is a standard burpee. Let me show you the side view so you can see it. Wow. So we're going to be here. God, let me catch my breath back. I'm getting all sweaty, dear oh dear. Right, down, out, in, up. Now we'll do it for push-up. Like so. That's a burpee. That's a full-on burpee. It's a push-up, then a jump out, and then a jump up. Now we're going to break it down a little bit to make it a little bit easier for you. So if all you can do, if you can't do the push-up yet, that's fine. How about we do a knees-only push-up, knees-only push-up, then once you're there, get into this position, tuck your knees in, jump up, down, back to your knees, knees-only push-up, here, in, up, like so. Now that's how you get around not being able to do the push-up part of the challenge. If you struggle to do a full-on push-up, and if you are trying to work on your push-ups, then go and check out my push-up training plan for beginners. But the other thing we can do is we could just start here, and then you can just do a jump in, jump up and down like so, and then you can jump out to there, back in and up like so. Now that's another way of doing a burpee that you don't have to worry about doing the push-up either. Another way of doing a burpee is we can just come here. Then if you can't find the momentum to jump in like so, you don't have to. What you could do is walk your hands to your feet and then do a jump from there, walk out again. And then what we're doing is we're doing a walk out with a jump. And that's another version of a burpee. Now, if you can't even get down onto the floor onto your hands, that's fine as well. How about we just go from this position, here, up and jump. Here, stretch the hamstrings, up and jump. Try not to jump from here. You can if you want to, but if you struggle with kind of jumping anyway, that's probably best not. It's probably best to jump from a stood position for yourself. And that is a burpee. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then please feel free to ask, and I look forward to answering them. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe wherever they are on the screen, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace, love and protein, high fives and positive vibes. Bye!